Today, I want to inform you about an exciting opportunity we have as a human race. I've written a written statement that I'm going to read for you today. A few years ago, a new revolutionary breakthrough technology was discovered that has the power to correct the errors in the book of life. I'm referring to gene editing technologies such as CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR is so powerful that it can edit and correct a single letter in our DNA. With the development and rise of gene editing, humanity has a real opportunity to cure virtually all genetic diseases such as Duchenne muscular dystrophy. CRISPR can correct the cause of Duchenne, where other treatments only treat the symptoms of Duchenne. This is why we are completely focused on getting CRISPR into human trials for people with Duchenne. We want to be the champions of advancing CRISPR-Cas9 into human trials. Who better to lead this effort than a person with the disease themselves? Think about that. To really understand the capabilities of CRISPR, I would like to tell you an amazing story. In 2015, a little girl named Layla Richards became the first human to have their life saved by therapeutic gene editing. Layla, a baby at the time, was suffering from leukemia. She became so weak that doctors suggested end-of-life care to her parents, but the parents continued to fight, and then they were presented with an experimental trial. This therapy had previously only been tested on mice in the laboratory before they tried it on Layla. Fortunately, gene editing therapy worked and saved Layla's life. This has become a widely used case to demonstrate the potential gene editing therapies has to cure diseases. Dr. Jennifer Doudna, who discovered CRISPR and is internationally recognized as a leading expert on CRISPR biology, states in her book, A Crack in Creation, and I quote, "CRISPR enables scientists to accomplish such feats by finding and fixing single incorrect letters of DNA out of the 3.2 billion letters that make up the human genome. But it can be used to perform even more complex modifications. Researchers have corrected the DNA mistakes that cause Duchenne muscular dystrophy by snipping out the damaged region of the mutated gene, leaving the rest intact. This is truly remarkable, and it just shows that the time is now to act on CRISPR-Cas9. After speaking to several world-class scientists who are studying CRISPR, after reading numerous scientific papers about CRISPR and its applications for Duchenne, I'm ready to change what it means to say, put your money where your mouth is. I am so confident in CRISPR-Cas9 being able to solve this devastation of a disease known as Duchenne that I bet my life on it, literally. Lots of people say they bet their life on this sports team winning or this business succeeding, but none of them are ever in a situation to bet their literal life. I am, however, and that's exactly what I'm doing. It really says something about a person's confidence when they are literally betting their life on something. I bet my literal life on CRISPR-Cas9, and I will be proven correct. As an organization, we strive to be the champions of getting CRISPR-Cas9 into human trials for people with Duchenne. And we are going to fund all the further studies needed in order to get CRISPR into human trials for people with Duchenne. This means that by supporting Destroy Duchenne, you are directly building a fantastic future. You are directly getting us closer to curing a disease. I mean, think about that. We can actually cure disease if we act on it. When do you ever have an opportunity to directly impact the future in such an incredible way? According to the scientists I spoke with, we need to do more studies to improve the safety and efficiency of CRISPR before we try it in human trials. Scientific research costs lots of money, and that is what is currently stopping us from actually curing a disease. But we know we can do something about that. We won't let funding hold us back from curing a disease. We are extremely passionate about getting this done, and that is why our whole mission can be summed up in 3 words: complete the cure. So as a human race, let's act now and let's complete the cure. Let's build ourselves a great future, one that we can be excited about, one that we can be proud of, one that we can wake up every single day looking forward to. In order to do so, we have to be the initiators. We have to be the change that we seek. complete the cure.